Hey guys, it's Tony. So it does look like Boson Protocol is running how we thought it was going to. It actually hit the top side of the bullish channel and it kept running to the high side. So as you guys know, I did buy somewhere around this range. I am waiting for a full 100% gain. I do think that's what's going to happen. I think at $3 and around 30 something cents, that's where I am going to be looking at 100% gain. I'm going to be taking out the initial $1,000 investment. I will be leaving those $1,000 to run, and I'll probably be investing in something else. As you guys know, that I'm just really focused on growing my KuCoin account by essentially just buying small caps that look like they're about to break out and reinvest. You know, selling when it does 100% gain. I basically sell 50% of it and then put it into something brand new. So so far right now, the very first one was Lossless, which did like a 5x. Number two was number two was Block, which already did the 100%. Number three was Haka. It was Haka, and I actually ended up selling that one a little bit early just so I can get into a little bit more lossless. So that one I haven't checked right now. I did take like a 10-20% gain on that one. So not a full 100%, but I wanted to get lossless was at a good price, so I wanted to buy it. And then my fourth, I think my fourth small crypto cap, my fourth small market cap crypto is Boson Protocol. After this one ends up rallying to like hopefully to 330, which is my next price target. I think after we do break up here, I do think it's gonna go, I don't want to say straight to 332, but there's a really good chance that we actually end up going to $3.30. So I'm definitely still holding from here. Not gonna be selling until we do the full gain percentage. So if I bought back here, let's say that I bought like somewhere like around 183 or whatever, right? A full 100% would be right, so a little bit higher, possibly like right there. So I more than likely will be looking for a 50% take profit around maybe the $360, $370 mark, and then we'll kind of go from there. But I do think that, you know, Boson Protocol is definitely going to the high side. I will be selling 50% when I get my 100% gain, and then we'll kind of be going from there. So far, the fourth small crypto market cap one is pretty great. I am looking at other potential runners, but then, you know, we'll see how this one turns out first. So far the other ones have hit every single time, but we'll see what happens, right? It's just like it's a growth game, right? We're just trying to see what can actually grow, what's you know, what's running in the ranks of KuCoin. And if you guys actually want to see the way that I find these small caps, you know, go back to my videos and then look for the one that says, you know, how I find small cap cryptos on KuCoin, and I essentially walk you through the whole thing of how I actually find these brand new small cap cryptos that I'm interested in. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great night, and, you know, we'll see where it goes from here. Bye bye.